You
The
know,
bright yellow one on the bottom left-hand corner. You might want to press
it's
start.
meant to be clicked. It's meant to be clicked. The start button. The start
Fuck
button.
you
Yeah,
guys.
you should click it.
I
It's
can't
meant to
tell
be
you.
clicked.
I can't. He's not even able to fucking play the map yet. You fucking gypsits.
You should click
Hold
it.
the fuck on.
It's meant to be clicking, Armor.
There. I'm done. I'm done.
Armor,
I'm done.
click it.
Done.
Armor, it's meant to be clicked, Armor. There we go.
Fuck you guys.
The
You found
ape is
it.
making it. The ape is he's getting a new brain.
I get blamed for
he's
this.
becoming
you
smart.
How dare you?
The
Dude,
ape is
You stuttered your way to that.
his ways.
I'm sorry.
Twinkie.
Yes, he beats my meat when I have no point of life.
Whoa, no. Pause. I didn't pause.
Yeah, I
on
didn't know
that.
you guys said that guy 11-zip, but okay, wow. I thought you only go have kills, but apparently it's just all the guys. Fuckers.
Yo,
Fuck that
guys,
person.
this guy named Reason, he's a fuck.
Yeah, no, I can't lay you on her.
Yo, when
I
I
say
heard
only off
Arctic's talking about
Kelly
Twinkie,
Park
is
Town?
that Tim?
I was gonna say Reason's a semen demon,
I
but
Fuck you, Arctic.
Come
oh,
on, bullshit.
Oh no!
No way, Armor got
This guy
clapped.
sucks.
oh my god, he missed. Oh my god, he fucking so far
He's
away.
It's
terrible.
okay, he'll come back.
Why do I have?
bullshit.
Really low.
Why is my only options a
with no
4 and a
fuck
3? What the? Why? Gosh!
That was some fucking bullshit. I saw him and didn't count even the fucking shot.
The guy shot like 8 times before he could thirst armor.
Yeah, he sucked so
What's
hard.
up?
It is, I got bullshit so fucking hard that Darkic got my fucking card.
Oh wait, my bad.
Fucking garbage.
How are you gonna take his 3?
I didn't see. I
He
forgot.
took my fucking cells.
I forgot, man.
You're a douchebag.
I forgot. Sorry, I forgot.
Armor,
I don't know who fucking took my bed. I didn't even have no
you're
bed.
the only person that touched your bed or whatever.
The other girl took it.
Why is my camera doing this?
It's
It's so far back. What the fuck? Fuck! Why aren't you pushing with me,
See the
dude?
building?
You fucking cum
I
stain.
was so far back, I was telling
No
you
reason.
Me?
Yes,
You yell at
You're
me,
right
I didn't
next to
know.
in the
me.
building? Okay.
Yes, they're in
What's the
here.
building?
They're
Where
in
is he?
here. They're
Marked
in
a
here.
location.
Who's even shooting? He's dead.
Nice, nice.
Sorry for saying those words,
Nice.
but I was just getting frustrated. Can't play with this lag.
Rolling.
Fucking perfectly getting on Ray.
What are you talking about?
What are
dude?
you talking about, bro?
I was literally making food.
Uh-huh.
Well, unless you're in like Antarctica or something, then I kind of get it. What happened to this
I have
guy?
a problem. I'm lagging really hard. I see everyone in parachutes crashing into walls.
Oh,
I
great
see
Marco for
people-
us.
Okay, never mind. I'm
Accurate,
here now.
goof. Who wants it 3 times?
I got supplies.
Oh, who wants it 3 times?
I got
Um,
supplies.
DBS.
I'll take that.
This trash DBS.
Oh, hey, who wants it
I
3
got
times?
supplies.
Noob? You noob? Who shot? Where you at?
Hey, I got another
Lick
3
your
times.
butthole.
It's like one guy.
Why are you
He's
getting so many
really,
fucking
like,
3
confident.
types?
Hey, do you guys
I
want
got
3 times?
supplies.
My god.
No, I'm
Shut the fuck up.
Oh my.
I got supplies.
Amar, why are you being so rude today? He's just trying to be nice.
No,
He
I'm
marked
3
so many
times.
3 times.
I got supplies.
Oh, shit.
We're
got
in a fucking
supplies.
squad right. He knows we all have 3
Bro,
times.
I don't know. I'm just finding them. Do you want them? There's one right here.
I got supplies.
Why would I want more than fucking one?
I don't know.
That's
Maybe
fine.
you
Look
guys
also
need
from
free
it.
time.
Maybe you got more than one gun that LTX. Bro, they're trying to take my old
I
clan
need
name.
backup.
LTX.
Oh my god.
Wow, with the panda thing.
I don't play
Bring
fear.
him over here. Bring him over here. I wanna touch him.
He's dead already.
Ow!
Front of S12. Oh, he's by me. I'm scared. I'm a poopy pants.
He's in my.
Oh, he's dead too.
No, not him. That's not him.
Okay, got you. He's on the way.
Yeah, you.
Oh, dude, nobody. Help! Help, bitches, help! Help, bitches, help! Help, bitches!
Fuck! I didn't know what the fuck where they were. I didn't know what the fuck they were.
He's on the balcony.
Yo, bitch, open the door!
Pretty sure
Actually, why are
there's
you
nobody
walking
over there.
backwards? Why the fuck are you walking backwards?
Cause I'm watching my front, bro. I'm watching my front just in case.
You've been so fucking there now.
Look at that newbie ass scar you got. Ew.
I don't talk about you do that car over there.
I don't got a scar. I got
It says for
idiot.
it's so vivid.
You idiot.
What the fuck, man? He's basically going uphill backwards.
He's going on the
It's-
hill. I need to see this.
It's an airdrop.
Oh wow, that's
He can go-
impressive.
Aggressive.
He's going up there.
He's not the brightest
up
on
there.
there.
I mean, how
No,
do
he
you
isn't.
even go backwards? Oh, I see the secret.
There's a secret on my... What the fuck? Why the fuck are you all you fuckers right here? You fucking did it! You fucking... I survived by fools!
They won't expect it. They won't expect it, bro.
Watch out.
Fucking leave me, mate. That's just... What the fuck?
They won't expect
Look,
it.
look, look.
Yeah, I know what happened.
I recently can't fucking pick anything right now. You guys, you fucking... You guys...
Watch out.
Armor worthy out, mark him.
I can't fucking mark you playing. I can't even fucking find that because you're dipshit.
Watch
I don't
out.
even know why am I taking the bullets also? You guys are fucking on fire by your face.
Armor move, you're gonna get
Yo, Armor, I'm gonna get shot, bro. Shoot.
Oh, you guys.
Armor, get him right here.
Watch out.
Snipe him, Armor, snipe him.
It's two squads. They're fighting over each other.
There's
Armor,
no
they're
way you
fighting
went
over
all the
each
way up
other,
in here
just
just to get a shot.
Armor, get him.
Push. It's two
Armor, get him.
squads.
Armor, get him. Why? Okay, Armor. Before us, why are you using a sniper?
I took it from the crate. I want to use it. Okay, that
Okay,
was
go
so
right, go
cool.
right,
You're
go
so
right there.
cool.
Marked a location.
Your call out was so basic. Guy going right, guy
Watch
going
out.
left. Guy going
Got
Watch
one.
out.
Nice thing.
I was looting. That guy
Dude,
hit me while I was looting.
Whoever smacked me in my butt confused me so hard. I thought I was getting shot from the back. Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch
We're
this.
getting shot in the back or getting back shot.
Getting shot in the back. Why the hell would I get back shot?
I headshot him.
Nice, nice, nice.
Oh, stop.
He killed himself!
There we go.
He shot himself!
What?
He shot himself!
What was that?
I jumped over him and
himself?
I jumped over it. Look,
No, I
Armor,
got the kill
Armor,
for it.
Armor. Oh my god.
What the fuck is that right? I hit it. Somebody was already on the first second.
Thank goodness.
That was funny, bro. That's
I like the way he
That's
blew
sad.
himself up, bro. He like, boo.
he didn't know what to do, bro. He was confused. If he took all of our kills with him, I would have been so mad.
He got friendly fire. Arctic, that was fucking you.
Oh my God.